In a video, I explained how to use FOOCUS to create uncensored and most realistic images. But there we installed it inside Google Colab. I got some comments that I should show how to install locally on Windows too. So that's what we'll do today. First, you'll need to go to their GitHub page. Either search it on Google or click on the link given in description. The requirements recommended to run this model on your device is 16 GB RAM and 4 to 8 GB GPU RAM. On the GitHub page, scroll down and you'll see the download section for Windows. Click on download. It's around a few gigabytes, so wait for some time to download. While it's happening, let me inform that I have merch shop. If you like any of these, please try it. It will be a great support for me and my content. All the customers will get a shout out in the next video. Link in description. After it's downloaded, right-click on the zip file and extract it. You'll see some bat files and some folders. All you have to do here is run the run file. CMD screen will be open on the screen. It will take some more time downloading and installing Juggernaut model, which is around 6 to 7 gigabytes. And after that, this page will be opened automatically. But if it doesn't, you can run this run realistic file. Be patient and let it install properly. Complete tutorial of this AI is given in this video, including how to generate uncensored images, how to fix these kind of glitch in the matrix, how to use a single face in multiple photos, how to upscale and extend images, how to use a different image to create another different image, how to make custom poses and add custom backgrounds, and many more. So link is in description, go try it out. Don't forget to check out my merch. The target is to sell 10 products at the end of this month. I haven't sold a single one yet. Now watch the video in the right side to learn how to create these amazing squint eye illusions. See you soon.